We excel in practical solutions. Our unique Flexiwall is suitable for a number of industrial applications and has been used by leading brands across the UK and Europe. Flexiwall can be manufactured to any height and any length, and because of the unique design, it takes up minimal floor space. Each panel is designed and installed to fit to your exact requirements, no matter how unique the shape of your building. We use existing portal frames to hang your Flexiwall, so there will be no damage to your building structure. Where necessary, we can install additional steelworks to incorporate your Flexiwall, allowing you to create the space you need without limitation. Ceiling voids can be easily filled with fire-retardant foam blocks. Panels are manufactured off-site and then individually hooked into place. Now your Flexiwall really starts to take shape. The clever design means installation is quick and involves very little mess. We can often install without disrupting your business at all. The panels are joined together with a unique overlap system which creates a dust-tight seal. High tensile cables are threaded from ceiling to floor and secured at the final eyelet. This design enables the configuration of your Flexiwall to be easily adapted as the needs of your business change. Once the Flexiwall panels are in place, they are battened, forming a tensioned wall. The structure is strong but flexible, which means it can withstand substantial knocks from equipment. In the unlikely event of damage, sections can be easily replaced without incurring large cost or causing major disruption. Many industrial environments have high-level services and steelwork. Flexiwall can be neatly fitted and finished around multiple penetrations, creating a close-fitting seal. We offer a wide selection of access options for your Flexiwall. We have a range of doors including fast-action doors, pedestrian doors, and PVC strip doors. If you need something more complex, then our skilled designers can create a bespoke solution. Occasionally, you may need access for large machinery or equipment. With standard partitioning solutions, it can be difficult to accommodate this, but Flexiwall can incorporate special roll-up sections, making access easy. Our team can custom-make these sections to fit to your needs. Where full vision is needed, we can include vision panels allowing you to view inside an area without having to enter. We can also include coloured panels, both full height or low level, to incorporate company branding and design into your workspace, enhancing the environment for employees and visitors. Flexiwall panels can even include company logos for a professional corporate feel. Flexiwall can be installed quickly and easily into your workspace and can be used for a number of different applications. Flexiwall creates temperature-controlled environments, separating chilled and ambient storage and production areas. It can also create drying areas for construction products or provide draft control. Flexiwall creates a dust-tight barrier between areas and also reduces the impact of noise from loud machinery, protecting storage and employees respectively. Flexiwall can be used to segregate different materials and products in multi-storage or production sites to prevent cross-contamination. Flexiwall can be used to create enclosures in any size and shape, protecting specific areas, machinery or equipment.